There are 6 scopes available in Maven. In this course, I'm gonna run through what these 6 scopes are. Actually, a lot of people use Maven without ever taking advantage of these scopes. Firstly, let's go to the Maven official site. When you search Maven dependency scope, you will find this page. You can find all the details on this page. The first one is default, compile. Compile is default one. You don't have to list it. It means all of your resources are available everywhere inside your application. Let me show one project. In our project, for example, we have Hibernate dependency, and for this dependency, actually the default scope is compiled. If it's compiled, you don't have to list it. You can just remove it. The default scope is compiled. The next one, the main one that you should know, is provided. Provided is much like compile. A good example of this is like Servlet API or XML APIs. It is available in all of our phases, but not included the final artifact. Let me show an example. For example, search Servlet API, Maven dependency. I want to just show an example. Copy this dependency. If you use a web project, something like this, you need Servlet API, and this API is provided. It means that if you use any container, this container provides this API for you, but for the compile time you need it. Let me show in the Tomcat. I have Tomcat. Go to the under the Apache Tomcat lib directory. In here, as you see, Servlet API is provided by this container, and if you add this dependency, the scope will be provided. Another one is runtime. Let's go back. Runtime is not needed for compilation, but it's needed for execution. So dynamically loaded libraries like JDBC jars, things like that, we need driver that's dynamically loaded at runtime. For example, we are using JDBC to connect a database. We are gonna to do a class for name, something like that, dynamically loaded. It is actually an opposite of provided. We don't need it for testing, we don't need it for compiling, we don't need it for packaging, but we need it for run the application. The next one is the test scope. Testing is only available for the test compilation and execution phase. It does nothing for compiling, it does nothing for packaging. It is also not included in our final artifact. For example, in our project we use JUnit for testing. The scope should be test, like this. Now system. System is basically you are going to hard code your path to jar on your file system. It is actually not recommended. This is why we are using Maven. The last one is import. It is only available Maven 3.0.9 or later. It deals with dependency management. Dependency management deals with sharing resources across the multiple POMs, multi-module project. That's all about Maven Scopes.